Okay, hi my summer ESOL group. I'm just going to make a video that goes over the directions on how to log on to Google Meet. Step 1, log into BCPS1 and click the Instructional Productivity tool. The symbol looks like this. So I'm at BCPS1. I'm going to click here. I'm going to log in. And then you're going to click this symbol that says Instructional and Productivity Tools. Okay. Step 2, click on Google Drive and make sure your name shows up in the top right corner. It should look something like this. So you're going to click here, Google Drive. Your child's first initial should be here. And right here are the 9 dots. So we are in Google Drive. Let's look at the next step. Step 3, click on the 9 dots in the top right corner for the Google apps and click on Google Meet. So we're going to click the 9 dots here and click Google Meet. Here's the 9 dots. Click Google Meet. All right. Okay, so click the 9 dots. You're going to click the Google Meet. So you're here. You're going to then type or paste the Google Meet nickname in this box. So click Join or Start a Meeting. Then you're going to type in my Google Meet nickname, which is R. Taylor ESOL, or it could be ESOL. Doesn't matter if it's uppercase or lowercase, but R. Taylor ESOL. Hit continue. Okay, you will see that your camera is working here. Before you join the call, you can either mute or unmute. You can also turn off your camera or turn it on. Please leave your camera on so that I can see you. And then you're going to click the Join Now button. And you should be here, and this is you in the call or in the lesson. During the call, down here are your buttons to manage your microphone or camera. This button will turn on and off your microphone so that I can either hear you or not hear you. So that's the microphone off. This is the microphone on. This will turn on and off your camera. So the camera is off and the camera's back on. Then up here is the chat box. This is where you can type any answers that some of you like to type instead of speaking. You could do both. And then I'm going to go over one more thing for students. This is when I ask you if you can show your screen. This will help me so I know and I can see what you have on your screen. So you would click here where it says Present Now with this little box and the arrow. You're going to click the first one that says Your Entire Screen. You're going to click this picture and click the blue button where it says Share. Now this will help me be able to see your screen so I can help direct you to any links or pages so you are on the right page. You're going to click Stop Presenting. Okay, and then you're back to the Google Meet. Anytime you need to hang up the call, you will click this button to leave the call or exit. And then it returns you to the home screen. But this is the page you should be on to log in.